Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today I'm back again with another healthy recipe. It's delicious and I tell you, you are going to love this. It is my healthy egg fried rice recipe. Guys, I won't say that much. It is so good. When I did this, I couldn't stop eating it. I could eat this every day and it's healthy. Guys, if you're on a weight loss recipe, try this recipe, okay? You are going to love this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. Right, to start, I'm using cauliflower. As you can see, I am taking out the leaves from the cauliflower. Yes, it is so delicious, guys. So I'm going to show you how I make my cauliflower rice. All right, it is so easy. Take it off and you cut it into two, and you take out the stalk from the middle bit. And if you don't have any food processor, I'm going to use a food processor. If you don't have one, you can just grate it. Just look at it, it comes out perfect. All right, but if you're using a food processor, you just divide them into these florets and then you can just pulse it in your food processor. Just very easy recipe. Right, let's make our fried rice. Okay, so I have some rapeseed oil in my pan and I add my eggs. Okay, I add some onion and garlic powder and also some salt, and also I add some smoked paprika. Yeah, I like spicing my eggs because it makes it taste amazing, but this is optional. You can just scramble your eggs like that. Yeah, this is how I like it. Okay, my egg is done and then I'll take it out of the pan and set it aside. Next, I put on some sesame oil and I add my chopped onions and chopped green chilies. Yes, I love green chilies because I want it spicy. If you don't want it spicy, don't use the green chilies, okay? Yeah, and then you fry it for a while and then you add some grated garlic and ginger. Yeah, it smells amazing. Right, next you add some grated carrots and some chopped sweet peppers. Guys, I like adding this veggies, but you can add any veggies of your choice. Okay, I love it with this. And then, yes, as easy as it is, you add your cauliflower rice. Just look at it. It's a very easy recipe, but it's healthy and it's delicious. So the next bit is add my scrambled eggs. If you want to add some prawns to it, you can do that. I love using the scrambled eggs, okay? And yes, as it is all done. Then I add my spring onions. And also I am going to add this lovely sauce that takes this to the next level. Now the sauce is made up of serracha because I want it a bit spicy. So serracha sauce, some soy sauce, and some oyster sauce, okay? Just look at that. It tastes so delicious. You gotta try this, guys. So guys, as you can see, our healthy egg fried rice is done and it's amazing. The aroma is out of this world. It's spicy, it's delicious, it's healthy, and this you can eat it every day, I tell you, and you can just mix the protein that you put in it. You are going to love this. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.